This is my Armalite AR50A1 rifle. This is the Predator shooting table from MTM Case Gard. And I have never shot this 50 BMG rifle in any other way than in prone on a mat. So today's going to be the first time shooting this thing from a bench. We're going to see if it works out, if it's a good idea to even do this video. And if this table, which it looks to me like is supporting it fine, can get the job done. What's up, crew? It's Chris from CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. And yeah, a little bit nervous, not sure what to expect. We're really not in any type of danger or any unsafe situation. We're going to have, obviously one shot at a time. I'm going to have my shoulder, the weight of my body is going to be behind this thing. Worst case, I think the table flips or this thing slides off the table. I think that's going to be absolute worst case. And of course, nobody wants to drop the rifle on the ground, but sometimes I guess that can happen. One of the biggest things, since we are shooting a 50 BMG here, is doubling up on the ear pro. So I do have my XP reactor plugs as well as the tracker electronic earmuffs from AXIL there. Now, if you are new to the channel, not familiar with this rifle, it is my Armalite AR50A1. Big, huge, honking stock bipod, big, huge, honking stock muzzle brake. This thing, a whole lot of metal in this rifle for sure. Chambered, of course, in 50 BMG. And sitting on top for our optic is the SWFA 20 power super sniper scope. Before we attempt this, obviously, as we talked about before, safety first. So going to try to get all of this ear pro on and we'll get started. Now we are ready to go. For ammunition, not that it really matters, but for ammunition, going to be running some American Eagle. This is 660 grain FMJ. And we are back at the 75-yard area here on the range. Normally, I do not shoot this rifle anywhere near this close, but we're not shooting at targets today. I just wanted to shoot for the first time from some type of a bench and see how it goes. So I'm going to just put rounds, at least one round anyway. We'll see how it goes into the bottom of the berm down there. Oh, yeah. So here we go. Going to try this at least one time. By the way, smash that thumbs up, because if this goes well and you have smashed that thumbs up, we may try a second round. Going to get in behind this. I'm going to trust the table. I think I'm going to get in behind this. Normally, I would be in prone, and I would just get kind of a double grip like this down on things. I think that's how I'm going to approach this. So really hard to get a view through the scope here. Again, going to trust this table to pretty much hold the weight. Here we go. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, yeah. Here we go. You know what? That wasn't near as bad as I thought it would be. Now, when I'm typically in prone with this thing, as far as recoil, especially with that big brake on the front and as heavy as this thing is, recoil-wise, it's really a pleasure to shoot. I was surprised. I mean, the table held well. I mean, the recoil was mild at best. It was very similar to shooting this thing in prone. So let's send another one down range. What do you think? What do you think? I think so. Hopefully you have smashed that thumbs up like I asked. Let me see if I can get a bead here. Get the view through the scope. All right, here we go. Second attempt. Let's see what happens. Wow, absolutely nothing to that. I was concerned, I was nervous, I was worried, and apparently for no reason. So there we go. There is the Armalite AR50A1, the 50 BMG, shot off of the MTM Case Gard Predator shooting table. Who would have thought, right? Who would have thought? If you want to see some more stuff from MTM Case Gard, well, heck, I got you some videos right here. As for this one, we're done. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.